Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Powerbeats Pro wireless in-ear headphones. I've used it for the last month and a half, and so I'm going to be sharing my experiences with them so far. So at the beginning, when I first got these, I was pretty disappointed, I think, in the sound quality. I've owned many earphones and headphones. For example, I've owned these pair of earphones, the Monster Turbine Pro Coppers, and they were just amazing. I thought these were the best earphones I've ever listened to. And then I also own the Mark II of the Sony WH-1000s, which are also a great pair of headphones. So when I first got these and listened to them, I was like, these sound terrible, and I wanted to return them. But I decided to give them a chance. And part of giving them a chance was actually trying the different earbuds inside the package. So I'll show you where that is. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick, so bear with me. So in here, it actually comes with 3 sets of additional earbuds. And so what I did was I put in the largest set of earbuds, and I found that gave me the best seal. And as a result, the sound quality improved dramatically, and they sounded way better. And there was also more bass. I listened to songs with lots of bass usually, so it just improved my experience like tenfold. And then after that, I didn't want to return them anymore. Obviously, they were great. So if you're having issues with the sound quality, I would suggest you try the different earbuds. Just try to get a good seal, and even if you don't like these earbuds, you can always buy different kinds of earbuds. I'll link one in the description that you can find on Amazon, for example. Now moving on to the convenience of the earbuds, I thought these were great. I can just take them out of the case and immediately they connect to my iPhone and I'm on my way. It's very quick. I've never had headphones that are this convenient, and so it just saves me a lot of time. And I can also just put it in one ear rather than having both of them, similar to a Bluetooth headset. Now in terms of phone quality, microphone quality, every time I've made a call with these, people on the other side have told me, oh, the sound quality is fine. When I've asked them, obviously, I can hear you clear, which was great. And they could also hear me clearly, which was also great. So no issues there, which I'm happy because my Powerbeats 2, I had issues with the microphone quality, and sometimes people couldn't hear me. So it's good that these don't have any issues with that. I would also expect that given the price. Now in terms of features, for example, this volume rocker, I find it so handy. It's on both sets, and this is what I now use to change the volume. It's very easy to press and very responsive, and it just makes changing the volume so much easier. I heard the new Sony wireless noise canceling earbuds don't have a volume rocker, which could be a deal breaker for me, because this just is so convenient. And if you're out and about with them on, you're going to be changing the volume constantly, so it saves you a lot of time. Now in terms of the battery life, no issues there. With the case, it's a good over 24 hours even. So I don't have to charge them every single day, which was great. Now in terms of cons that I've had with these headphones, there are a few, but they're mostly minor. The first one would be the comfort. So I found at times, if I'm wearing it over 3 hours, I would find that the back of my ear would get sore. So I put it on now. So at the back, where this section of the ear clip is touching my head, it's a bit tight, so it would just get really sore. And it's so sore that I'd have to take it off and not wear them for a while, which was, it was a bit annoying if I did want to wear it a bit longer. But at the same time, it was kind of good because it forced me to take a break from listening to music, which is always good. If you're listening to music at higher volumes, it's safer for your ears if you take breaks in between. So it wasn't a huge con for me, but it's just something to consider. I also have smaller ears, so I don't know if that's part of it. But yeah, Apple, please make your cups more comfortable. One other con, or one other pro about that, is that they're so tight that they'll never fall off. So if you do work out a lot, then these are perfect because you don't have to worry about them falling off. The new Sony wireless earbuds, they don't have ear clips, so like if you do work out with them, there's a good chance they will fall off, which is why I'd recommend these if you are an active person. Now the other con I found was that the case is just so big. Like if I'm putting it in my backpack, like it's fine, but I cannot carry it with me if I'm just, not taking a backpack or anything, because it's just too big and bulky, and like if I put it in my pocket, it just stands out. So I would just take the earphones alone. It's just kind of annoying, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Yeah, let me just show you like how quickly this thing connects. Like if I open it now, like this thing just pops up right away, and that means that it's connected with the iPhone and that the earphones you can use. So some people might ask, is there any noise canceling on these? The answer is no. If you do get a pair of earbuds that do have a good seal in your ear, then there will be some noise canceling, but you can still hear what's going on around you, which some people might prefer. Like I personally prefer it, because if I'm using it on like the train or while walking, then I can still hear like the cars around me, what's going on around me. Because it's never good to just, unless you're like in the library studying, it's never good to just, block all the noise out, because you don't know what's going on around you. If you're in the library, it's probably quiet anyways, so then you wouldn't really even need the noise canceling. So, it's totally fine. One other feature that I found was pretty cool was that you can activate Hey Siri just by holding the Beats button. Oh, they gotta be in your ear, sorry. So you're in my ear now, so if I hold the Beats button and Hey Siri activates, and I can talk to Siri. That's really handy if you're just walking around, you don't want to really touch your phone. You can also activate it without looking at your phone, so I can talk to Siri just through the earpiece. So Hey Siri. But yeah, so if I say Hey Siri just with the earbuds, then Siri activates on my phone. I don't need to have my phone unlocked. It'll just answer me, which is pretty cool. It's more efficient. One other thing that you may not know about having Apple manufactured earbuds is that they have live listen. So there's this feature. I have it on my control panel here, but it's this ear here. So it currently says unavailable because I don't have these in my ear, but if I put it in my ear, then I can use live listen. So if I turn it on, then basically it uses my iPhone's microphone as the mic, and it amplifies it into my ear. So if I held it over here, then I could listen to what's going on over there a little bit easier if I turn up the volume, which is really cool. Only these earphones and the AirPods have this feature of live listen. So if you're thinking about buying other earphones, just keep that in mind, that you can only use that specific feature on the iPhone with these and AirPods. So overall, I would say that these are definitely one of the best, if not the best pair of of like workout earbuds on the market right now. They are a bit expensive, but I personally was able to get them 25% off, with a coupon I found online. So if you're looking for like a coupon, like comment below, maybe I'll be able to help you out. I rate these an A for sure. They're great all around, sound quality, convenience, battery life. I'm just very happy with these, and I 100% recommend that you guys get a pair for yourselves too. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below and tell me how I did. Appreciate it. Have a great day.